Located in the northern hills of Hungary's national park, the owners of Perocseny Pension were facing a significant wastewater treatment challenge. In order to meet local wastewater regulations, they needed to replace their outdated wastewater treatment system. They turned to ARPER, the exclusive BIOROTOR representative in Hungary, to design and install the new wastewater treatment system. After careful consideration, the BIOROTOR system was chosen for its compact size, high performance, and low energy costs. The installation included a primary treatment with 2 tanks already on site, a secondary biological treatment with 1 BIOROTOR module, and a clarification treatment with 1 lamella clarifier to maintain temperature and blend harmoniously with the environment. A cover building was built around the plant. To improve overall energy efficiency, insulation was applied to the hut's walls. Thanks to ARPER's expertise in installing this BIOROTOR decentralized wastewater treatment system, local water sources were protected from contamination. If you'd like to learn more about BIOROTOR, don't hesitate to contact us. Our team of experts are ready to answer any questions you may have.